Hello everyone! Today I have a review of a Benchmade Balisong replicas, model 42 and 43 in the boxes. Velcro sheets, torque screwdrivers, and the knives themselves. The parameters of both knives are practically the same. Total length is 24 centimeters, blade length is 9.5 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. According to the markings on the blade, the steel should be 440C, but I assume that in reality it may be ACR 13 MOV. Tempered between 58-60 HRC, satin finish. The blades are drop point and clip point. On the blades there is a logo of a butterfly, the inscription Balisong inside them, and the model number 42 and 43. On the other there is an inscription 440C, Benchmade, USA. The handles are made of stainless steel. The spring latches with the possibility of adjustment. In summary, I always dreamed of a 42 model. It's legendary, but 20 years ago it was beyond my financial reach. Then they stopped producing it and it was no longer available in stores. I know that there are supporters and opponents of replicas, but whatever you say, replicas are the only alternative to discontinued knife models. It will be very difficult to find 42 anywhere now. So the only option would be to buy it from second hand, but the price will certainly be very high. So I have no comparison to the original, but the workmanship is not bad. They're easy to flip. I'm not an expert, but in my opinion they flip nicely and smoothly. It's also a matter of adjusting and lubricating the knife. As with any knife, you have to use the knife for some time and to get used to. That's all this review. Thanks for watching.